Hi guys, welcome to the How to Crack the Java Interview. Today we will discuss about some of the core Java interview question. Actually, this question faced by one of the guy who attended IBM interview written recently, and also he cleared that interview, first round of interview. Today we will discuss what is the first question. What is the first question? What is the first question is what is the automatic promotion of a type in Java overloading? What is the automatic type promotion? Actually, overloading method resolution, overloading method resolution means when you try to call the overloaded method in your class, that is called overloaded method resolution. In the overloaded method resolution, if if exact match is not found, if the exact match is not found, then compiler will not get the compile time error immediately. Compiler will not get the compile time error immediately. Then what compiler will do? First, compiler will promote the argument type of that method to the next level of the argument, next level of the argument type by calling the method. Just example, my calling method argument is char type. If compiler will check, is there any method with char type argument is there? If not there, then it will automatically promote that to the next level of the type, means char to int, char to int. Then how it is calling, will check in the code wise. Okay, I have a Java class. Just example, I have a method. I have a method public void main public void m1. M1 is my method. M1 is my method. Int int I. Then public, then system.out.println, system.out.println int arg, int int arg int arg method. That is the int arg method. Here, just example, I try to call that method in my class. Okay, how to call? First, I need to create a test object, test class object, test t1 equal to new equal to new test, then t1 dot m1, t1 dot m1 of 10, m1 of 10. How it will work in the method resolution? Then if call like that m1 of 10, then compiler will check, is there any method, is there any method in the test class, is there a method in the test class having int argument, yeah, int argument is there. Then it will immediately call that, and it will print as int arg. Okay, okay, we'll check how it is working. It's my test class. See, yeah, it is compiled successfully. Then we'll run that. Yeah, it is calling int arg. Okay, okay, just example, if I change that argument to to character type, what will happen? What will happen? We discussed earlier, it will not get compile time error. Compiler will check. Compiler will automatically promote the type. Here type is char. It will automatically promote to the next level. Next level is int. You know, char int float like that. Yeah. it will automatically promote the int. Then you will check, is there any int argument method is there or not? Is there. Then what is the output also int arg. Okay, we'll check. Go to the command prompt, compile. Yeah, it is compiled successfully. Then we'll run that. Yeah, it is coming int arg. Okay, okay, it is calling int arg. Okay, then that is the first question. We'll go to the second question. What is the second question? Is it possible to write main method in interface? Is it possible to write? What is the answer? Answer is yes. How, sir? How main method is in interface? In Java 8 onwards, in Java 1.8, interface contain static method also. Why it is contain static method? What is the use of that? Actually, Java people realize static method nowhere related to object, and and com- between the interface and class, who is lightweight? Actually, interface is lightweight. There is no constructor, no instance method. We cannot create the object of the interface. Then Java people realize static is nowhere related to object, and interface is lightweight. Then they introduce the static method. Main method is static method. We'll see it will work or not. Okay, we'll go our program. Just example, I have a method, I have an interface. I can write I can write the public static void main. I can write main string args. Okay, that is the main method. Then can write the system.out welcome. I can write one system.output in main method, interface main method. Right. Okay, we'll run that if it is executing or not. We will get any compile time error or it will work. We'll see. That is in test method. We'll compile the test. Yeah, here see, we will not get any compile time error. Will not get any compile time error. Okay, then interface contain can able to write main method in interface. Yes. Okay, what is the next question? Next question is, what is the next question? Next question is one program output. What is the program output? That is the question actually asked by IBM. We'll discuss that. Class test. Just example, I have a test class. I have a test class. I have a method public void main m1 object o system.out.println system.out. println of object arg obj arg arg. Okay, that is one method. I'll write another method. That is one method. I'll write another method in my test class. Public key void m1. It will take argument as string. String arg. System.out.println string arg. Okay, then I'll write the main method. Public static void main string args. Then I'll create the object test t equal to new test t dot m1 t dot m1 of a new object. I called m1 by passing object argument. Then t dot m1 of string as Durga. Okay, Durga. Yeah, what is the output here? These two are method name same, argument different. These are called as overloaded method. These are called overloaded method. In my main method, I call t.m1 of object. Then compiler will check is there any method with object as argument. Yeah, then it will call that object arg. Output it is obj arg. The next one here t.m1 of Durga. Then will call the second method which argument as string. Then it will call the string arg. Okay, up to that it is working fine. But main cinema will start here. What is the next question? T dot m1 of null. Then what is the output? If you call t dot m1 of null, what is the output? Method having same name, argument different, they are called overloaded method. And here we are calling t dot m1. What is the output? Null. T dot m1. Null is which type? Null is valid for both object type and string type also. Both, it will call both parent and child to came. Who will get execute? Who will get execute here? Who will get execute here? Who will get execute? Parent will get chance or child will get chance to execute. Parent will get chance, child will get chance to execute. Please remember always in overloading, always if both parent and the child are coming, will come for getting the execution here. First child will get the chance. If child is not there, then parent will get the chance. Just example, you are going to some collector office, government collector office, you want to some signature, some small things. First will meet whom? First will meet peon. Then they will allow to meet in collector. If you have some small work, no need to go for the superior person. Then peon can handle that here. If if that work can done by object argument, that method can call by the string argument also. Its null is valid for both the object and the string. Then which method will call? First preference will go to the child. What is the output? Output is string arg. String arg. We'll check. We'll check programmatically. We'll check programmatically. Just I have a method m1. I can put object o system.out.println object arg obj arg. Then I can write another method like that. Another method string string of s. It is string arg. Then in my main method, I created an object test t new test. Then if I call t1.m1 of new object, then I pass the object class object class object. Then which method will call? It will the object type. It will check is there object type method is in that test class or not. Then compiler will get that is a method m1 with object type. Then that will call. Second one t1 t.m1 of Durga. Which method will call? It is a test type. It will check is a test type method is there or not in test class. Yeah, it is a string type. Oh, sorry, string type. String type is there. Then it will call that method. If I call t dot m1 of null, what is the output? As you discuss, first preference will go to the child class because null is valid for both object and string. Both object and string both are parent-child relationship. Object is parent, string is child. Then first preference will go to the string. What is the output for this? String arg. We'll check. Control S. We'll run that. Capacity test. Yeah, it is compiled successfully. We'll run that. Yeah, what is the output? Third one. String arg. If you comment this line, you can get a clear picture on that. Once again, you can compile. It's working fine. Then run that. Yeah. What is the output? String arg. String arg. Okay. Then we'll go to next question. What is the next question? Next question is what is the difference between anonymous class and a lambda expression? What is the difference between anonymous class and a lambda expression? Who is more powerful? Anonymous inner class, anonymous inner class, anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class is more powerful than lambda expression. How, sir? Anonymous inner class can extend normal class. Anonymous inner class can extend abstract class. Anonymous inner class can implement interface. It implement interface. Anonymous inner class first. Anonymous inner class. First, anonymous inner class, anonymous inner class, extend, extend, normal class. Anonymous inner class, extend a normal class. Anonymous inner class can extend a abstract class. Abstract class. Anonymous inner class can implement interface. Can implements implements can implements interface. Interface. What about what about lambda expression? Lambda expression can implement lambda expression can implement only only and lambda expression can implement only interface. Only lambda expression cannot extend normal class, cannot extend abstract class, only implement interface which having only one abstract method but but anonymous inner class can implement interface having implements um, implements can implements interface having any number of abstract abstract method any number of abstract method. Then anonymous inner class does not have any return type. It does not have any return type. Does not have any return type. Not have any return type. But lambda expression has a return type. What is lambda expression? Lambda expression is a piece block of code which takes input as parameter and return a value which having no method name have return type. Return type. If lambda expression has a return type, you can reuse that. You can reuse the lambda expression, but you cannot reuse the anonymous inner class. Both are not equal. Actually, both are not equal. But anonymous inner class is more powerful than lambda expression. Actually, that anonymous class is enable you make your code is more conscious. Lambda expression also it is enable you to make your code more conscious, and lambda expression will enable the functional programming. Lambda expression also support parallel processing. It is introduced in Java 8. Okay. Okay. I think all four questions we discussed. We'll discuss more question in next session.